Welcome to Master the Grill, your to go summer episode 5. And today I'm going to be showing you all how to make your oven baked tilapia fish with some grilled plantain. It's a perfect combination of flavors, and I'll walk you through the steps making this special recipe. For our ingredients today, we're going to be using 2 tilapia fish. We're going to be using onions, we're going to be using garlic, we're going to be using ginger, about 6 habanero because I love it spicy. And apart from habanero, we're going to be using our thyme. Apart from our thyme, we're going to be using olive oil, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of salt. We're going to be using lime. And the first thing we're going to be doing first is, blend our spices together, which is the red pepper, the green pepper, and our ginger. Just pour everything together, and we're not using water. We're going to be using a liquid lime to blend everything together. So what we're blending right there is our bell pepper, the bell pepper, the onions, and habanero together. Once you're done blending everything together, you will want to cook it. Add about a teaspoon of granite oil to your pan, and what we're doing right here is just cooking it just the way we did that catfish. Cook it. Add necessary ingredients, like we're gonna add about, let me say, half teaspoon of salt, just to taste, but you have to test it in between. Half teaspoon of salt. Once you're done adding your salt, you want to add a little bit of curry, half teaspoon of curry. Once you're done adding your half teaspoon of curry, you're gonna add half teaspoon of thyme also. Once you're done adding your thyme, you want to add your not your cubes, and that's literally like, some people call it no, some people call it, depending on how you say. I'm just gonna add about two cubes of seasoning. At times those guys might be add, but just take your time in breaking it. Once you're done adding those spices to it, you want to mix everything together, cover it, and let it cook for 5 minutes. Stir it in between, and make sure you test it also. Test it, and let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. That's when right there. Once you're done, add your leaves because we want that taste also. Let everything cook up together. And I think it's at this point in time, we need to start working on our fish. This is more of like the preparation phase. And what I'm doing right here is just to just the way I made my catfish. We're just preparing our fish right here. I'm gonna cut, just make that line, make a hole through our tilapia fish. And the main reason why I'm doing this is so when I put the sauce into that fish, the sauce can get into our tilapia fish. Trust me, this is one of those recipes you don't want to miss during summer, guys. Just take your time and, hey, make this, carry out this recipe and let me know how it goes. Yeah, so right now the next thing I want to do right now is the sauce we did cook. What I want to do right now is apply that sauce to our tilapia fish. Put your foil paper on the flat surface. Once you're done putting your foil on the flat surface, put your tilapia also inside of the foil paper. And once you're done doing that, this is where we add our sauce to our tilapia fish. Apply generously to your fish. Do what you have to do. Apply generously around it, and if possible, you can even put some inside of the fish, because don't forget, the main reason why we're doing this is so while our tilapia is inside of it can literally sync up together. Don't mind me, I'm just taking my time right here. Once you're done with that, you're very sure, like, oh, okay, the fish has all it needs. This is when I think I'm missing something also. Don't forget to add your olive oil, because we don't want our tilapia fish to stick to our foil paper. Add your leaves also, and once you're done with that part, you want to fold everything all together. Make sure for this part I did use 2 4 papers, like that way nothing leaks. the same process I did with the first tilapia fish. I'm carrying out the same process also right here. Guys, while you're watching this, don't forget to hit that subscription button, hit the like button, and yeah, sure, let's do this. Just the same process, use your brush to apply that sauce generously into your into your tilapia. One thing I want to do right here is I want to add some lemon to it. Add some lemon to the fish. I didn't do it for the first one, but yeah, I'm going to do it for the second one right here. Apply your lemon to it, and once you're done applying your lemon, one thing also I would advise, I would say you shouldn't forget is don't forget to add your olive oil also. That way, apart from your olive oil, also add your leaves also. That way, your tilapia doesn't stick to the four shape. And right here, look at me adding some lime to it, because you know me, you know how I do it. I like that juice, and I like that taste it gives me after everything. So look at this guy right here, and we're done with that guy. Make sure you fold it with, if possible, with two foil paper, and this is that point in time where we put it inside our oven. So right here, I did preheat my oven to like 375 Fahrenheit, or should I say 190 centigrade. I did preheat it that long for like a few minutes before putting in that guy right there, putting in our fish into the oven. That guy's normally be there for like 35-40 minutes, and this is where I have to like take care of my plantain. While the fish is baking, this is where this is where we fry our plantains. Right there, as you see, my plantains are really ripe. That's why you see them the way they were. I like the ripe plantains because they sweet, and I just like that taste whenever I eat my ripe plantain. Cut your ripe plantain into little pieces depending on how you want it. Add a pinch of salt, and once you add a pinch of salt, the next thing you want to do is fry it. Fry your plantains until they are golden brown on both sides, which should be about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Just take your time, in between, just to make sure the golden brown on each side. You want to take your time. You want to flip them frequently. And apart from that, the main reason why you want to flip them frequently is so they don't burn. So you have to literally put your eyes on it while you're frying it. Once you're done, you remove the fried plantain and place them in a paper towel or lined plates to remove excess oil. And this is me right here. My fish is ready. Our plantain is also ready. And look at me putting that hot sauce on it. Oh my god, that guy looks so good. Looks so good. And this is right here. Here you have your oven baked tilapia fish with some crispy fried plantains. This combination is absolutely delicious. Look at me right there, just eating, enjoying my life, oh my god. Hola. That guy looks so delicious. I'm just using my fork right here, and in between, if you want to act low-key like I do, you can also use your hand if you want to. I want to thank you all for joining me today. Thanks for joining me today in the kitchen. I hope you give this recipe a try. Remember, it's easy to make and it tastes so amazing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipe. This is just, summer is ending, and I'm just trying my best to push those summer content straight out to you. Look at me right there, using my hand. This is how you do it low-key. Looks so delicious. Like, guys, you won't understand, like, until you try. You won't understand how this feels. I'm literally almost done eating those plantain. This guy tastes really good. Tastes really good. Let me know what you all think in the comment section. So delicious. And you know the most funniest thing, I served it fresh straight from the oven, so it's really really hot. And while you're eating it, just be careful because tilapia usually have a lot of bones, so you want to be so careful. You know, sip some wine, drink some water, whatever you want. I want to say thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.